Hi everyone, I got a new review for you. It's the IMOU CELL PRO model outdoor smart security camera, 1080p, wire-free. You're going to like this. Comes with 2 cameras and a base station that goes a long ways out there. This one goes up to 100 meters. So let's get to the unboxing and check out the review. Hi everyone, today I'm doing a review on the IMOU wireless security camera system. It's 1080p video, wireless, weatherproof, with rechargeable batteries. It's nice, it comes with 2 cameras and a base. So let's take a look at the box and see what it says about it. Okay, and we see here it's 100% wire-free. There's rechargeable battery, 1080p, that's the H265, 2-way audio, PIR direction. It's waterproof, has a local USB recording, and it has cloud service. Okay, so let's open the box and see what comes inside. And the first thing we see is the quick start manual. Very complete, easy to follow instructions. And you have your 2 templates for mounting your brackets that hold on your security cameras. Alright, so the next thing you pull out is the base station. Oh, that's a nice design to it. Very ergonomic shape. Cool, we'll take a look at that in a minute. Next, reaching down in the box, you pull out the power cord. That plugs into the base station to give it power. Next, we have a patch cord, which we use to plug into your router and into the back of the base to give it Wi-Fi signal. And next, we have one last box. I see we have 2 HD cameras in here. That's great. Okay, reaching in here. Now keep in mind we have 2 sets of everything, so I'm not going to bring everything out on this. But here we have the charging cord, which is USB to micro USB, and your mounting hardware. And next we have our lithium-ion rechargeable battery. This is 7 volts, 2300 milliamps. It's quite small. And we have our mounting bracket. This is a unique design. It has the 4 screw holes in the back, but you have to separate it here, and I'll show you. You pull it apart, and you can see you just mount the screws through there to whatever you want a surface to mount it to. And you screw it back on there. It's got a little silicone rubber seal in the middle of it that holds the flexible 1/4-20 bolt on the end. And grabbing out one of the cameras here, we'll take the plastic off. You can see here it's got a nice finish to it. I like it. It's heavy duty. You can feel the quality in this. It's got a 1/4-20 in the back. Also has a sync button that you push when you want to sync it with the base. And above that, you have your micro USB charging input slot. All right, spinning the camera around, you can see we have your bumper pads on the bottom to keep it from slipping. Also have your speaker holes in there for the audio. Camera around to the top side, you can take the cover off by sliding it back. Now, here there is a latching mechanism on here to get the battery into it or removed, and you have to push down on the top part and pull it back. And it's pretty easy to install the battery. You make sure you have the battery in the right direction. You can see that the contacts on the bottom of the battery have to be closest to the camera lens. And when you push down, you have to push firmly and make sure you hear the click. Next, I want to give you a weight on the base station, just to give you an idea. And it's 9.8 ounces for that. Next, getting the weight on the camera with the battery installed, it is 9.1 ounces. So kind of heavy, but you can tell it's quality camera. All right, I'm going to take a look at the base station here. You can see it's quality built. Nice ergonomic design there with a kind of handle in the top. And then on the back, you have your power input. Next, you have your reset slot and also your USB. And next we have your input for your Wi-Fi that I said connects to the router. So you put your patch cable in there. All right, take a look at the base station from the top view. You got your sync buttons. That's to get your cameras linked up with the base station. And spin around here, you can see it has a speaker for the top. So you can hear things that are outside coming off the cameras. All right, the next step, we're going to show you how easy it is to connect your Wi-Fi system to your security system here. And the first thing you need to do is download Google Store or Apple Store. It is called the IMOU Life app. And this is what you're going to need to get this security system up and running. Okay, starting out, you need to make sure that the blue light is on the sync button before you get started. Back, I have CAT5 cable hooked up to my router, and I also have the power cord hooked up. Okay, then we want to open up the app, and you have to set up your account with it before you can start. After your account is set up, then we want to install the base station. Simply click the plus arrow in the top right. Once you do that, it'll have you scan the QR code on the bottom of the base. It'll find it, install the base station, the proper one, on your app, and you're ready to get started. Next, it will ask you for your Wi-Fi and then your password to log into, and it will link up the base station to your home Wi-Fi. Last, we want to add the cameras to the base station, and this is simply done by clicking the sync button on the base station. And on the back of the camera, you hit the sync button, and as you can see the blue light flashing on the base station, it's talking back and forth with the camera, and when it reaches this total link, it will flash faster, and then it will show a solid blue, and then it will disappear. And as you can see here, the camera's been added, and we click on preview, and you can see here, there it is. You can see the camera, and great picture quality. All right. So next I'm going to give you an overview of the product and details on it. And then we're going to take it outside and install the cameras and show you how the app works. So we'll give you some reviews on how the cameras and base station works. Okay, next I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install the mounting bracket here. You have 4 holes, you have the template down, and you just quickly drill the holes in to attach the base to it. Once it's attached, you take the other half of the base and simply screw them together, and that will tighten down the adjustable 1/4-20 ball on the end, and you can adjust the camera in any position you want. Alrighty, so now we're going to go over the features of the app and show you how it works. If you pay attention to the center left, you'll see that you can pause your video feed if you want. You also have the option clicking multiple screens at one time, so that's a really nice feature. Then you can change your video quality from SD to high definition by clicking the button. And if you like to listen to things that's going on out in the yard, the camera also has a built-in microphone, so you can listen to everything. And next, clicking the button to the right, you can put it into landscape mode or wide angle mode, and you can see a lot more viewing on your phone or tablet. Next, if you want to take a still image of your video feed, you hit the snapshot button. And sometimes you might want to speak to someone that's near your camera, and all you have to do is hit the speaker button. It will allow you to use it as an intercom. And last, if you want to record what's showing on your screen, you hit the record button. It'll save a file to your phone or tablet. Here I want to show you the app has the capabilities of zooming in, and you can see the clarity and the crystal sharp image it has as you're zooming it in. The last feature I'd like to show you on the app is the great picture on the night vision. Just look how clear that is. And you can zoom in and still see everything crystal clear at night view. This is a really nice camera. Well, I hope you enjoyed my review on the IMOU CELL PRO. It's the outdoor smart security camera, wire-free, 1080p with rechargeable batteries, PIR detection, night vision, IP65 waterproof. It has diversified cloud storage, which includes 1 hub and 2 security cameras. Pretty neat. It has advanced low power consumption technology, which enables the battery to run up to 6 months on a single charge, reducing maintenance significantly. Very nice. Mounts anywhere. The Cell Pro requires no wiring of installation. It's IP65 rating, like I said, which means a camera can be mounted anywhere you want to keep an eye on in your home. Inside, outside, rain or shine or snow. The smart PIR motion sensor with the dual detection helps the camera to accurately detect intrusion and avoid sending false signals or alarms to your smartphone. It's very stable. It has the hub advanced in its Wi-Fi module, which prolongs the Wi-Fi transmission distance out to 100 meters. That's great. And guarantees stronger and more stable signal. Each hub supports up to 6 add-on cameras. So you can also get a set of CCTV systems for yourself at local storage. You can connect your USB hub device, thumb drive, whatever you want, to the USB port on the back, and you can store up to 2 terabytes of storage. So you don't just have to use the cloud storage. You can purchase this on Amazon for $1.99, and I'll leave that link down below. Great camera set with the hub, 2 cameras, great deal, very powerful, and you could see how clear and accurate the camera was. Great deal. So I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review because of the quality and the versatility and the distance that you can go with these cameras. So if you think the information was useful in purchasing this camera set or any other products on my channel, why don't you give me that big thumbs up, because it really does help the channel. And also hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't yet, and the bell to the right to catch all my upcoming videos. So this is Captain Mark saying to you again, thank you always for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.